2025 Ram 2500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Fall in love with its many extra features, which include the following: side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, 4-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, engine immobilizer. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.